Hey, this is web dev, and let's say you have a repository that was made for deleting. So how do you do it? So just if you want to delete it, go to the settings. Then down here you will find danger zone options, which are basically where you can make your repository either private if you want to, or you can transfer the repository, your ownership of the repository, to someone else, or either you can archive it so that it will not be, I don't know what archiving means, make it read only so you cannot edit it, and finally you can just delete it. So it'll give you a warning and tell you to type your repo's name as well as your name. So I'll do that. Once you do that, it'll let you delete your repo. Now, once we do that, either it will ask for some authentication or it will just go on and delete it. And now you can see your repository named test repo was deleted successfully. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.